Hey guys, I'm Jonathan Nichols of Apogee Capital and also proud to be a coach on the Michael Blanc program. Today, just want to talk a little bit about why I think now is such a great time to get started in multifamily investing. And so to kick off today, I'm actually at one of our recent acquisitions in Lubbock, Texas, a 171 unit deal that we were able to purchase about 40% discount to top of market value. And we'll go into why that is here in just a second. But perhaps you're watching this and maybe you're a single family investor who owns a few rentals, or maybe someone who's been interested in real estate for a long time, but just not sure where to get started. And maybe you've had an interest in multifamily, but just don't know, hey, how do I get started? Or is it the right time to get started? I want to give you just a couple reasons why I think now is actually a fantastic time to start investing in multifamily. So going back about 24 to 36 months ago, we are at what most investors would have called the height of the multifamily market, meaning that stuff was selling at a top dollar, for the highest amount that it has in many years. And due to the Fed increasing interest rates to combat inflation, we now today are seeing deals at some of the lowest price points that we have in a number of years. And so most people are aware that real estate, along with the economy in general, rides economic cycles, right? Deals go down and up, prices go down and up. And most people, most investors, myself included, would tell you that we believe there are deals to be had. There are good deals out there in any part of the economic cycle. But just because there are good deals out there in any part of the cycle doesn't mean that there aren't times in the cycle that offer more buying opportunities. And so I think that's what we're seeing now is as the Fed has just decreased rates 50 basis points, and we will likely have access to better and better debt over the next few years, we're now seeing a place where investors can get deals at a great price and likely, not a guarantee, but very likely sell them at a much better price by riding that economic wave. And what we teach or think about investing is that we don't bank on economic appreciation for our deals to do well. Rather, we rely on forced appreciation, which means going in, adding value to deals and making them better. So you can probably hear some construction noise in the background here, and that's because that's exactly what we're doing. We're adding value to this deal. We're improving the landscape, we're renovating units, all kinds of stuff to make it a better deal that produces a higher net operating income, which is what drives the value on multifamily assets. All that said, while we believe these forced appreciation opportunities present themselves in any time of the cycle, we also believe that today, getting this deal at a 40% discount to top of market prices a couple years ago, we will be able to very likely do well for our investors just based on the likely economic appreciation as well. And so once again, maybe you're a single family investor who's thought about getting into multifamily, or just someone who's interested in real estate. I would encourage you to jump in and start learning right now, because these opportunities won't be around forever. And so my recommendation would be get the coaching, get the training, support that you need to do these kinds of large deals while there are still bargains to be found. My name's Jonathan Nichols. I'm from Apogee Capital. Thanks for listening.